brand new kit. Mini LED keychain night light USB. Let us open the close. This is for USB. SMD LED with 390 resistor, and this one is for the key holder. We can use a power bank to test this night lamp. Night lamp or flashlight. And then we use this KWC to measure the current from this night lamp. 5 volts, 5.11 volts. 110 milliamps or 90 milliamps, 0.11 amps, 0.11 to 0.09 amps. volts, 0.11, 0.13 ampere. So 0.5 watt almost. So we have the kit or the USB with 3 SMD LED. This is a night lamp. Figure 1 USB LED night light. This is the reverse engineering of this night light. You can see here there's 4 lines: ground, D plus, D minus, B plus, and then resistor to the middle, then 3 LED D1, D2, D3. That is the connection of the actual USB LED night light. The resistor is connected to the ground, whereas it is also connected to D1, D2, D3. So in this case, or it means this is the cathode. Cathode of our LED SMD, surface mounted. So this is surface mounted LED, and then the other end now is the anode, anode connected to B plus, or the supply H. So all the cathode connected to the resistor, all the anode connected to the B plus. For the equivalent, that is now the equivalent circuit or diagram. Ground, this is ground, the negative is the ground, and then connected to R1, it is SMD, and the value is 390. If we're going to read that, it is equivalent to 39 ohms. But when I measure it, it is 38.9 ohms, actual value of the resistor. All cathode of the LED, they are connected to R1. R1, D1, D2, D3, and then all the anode, they are all connected to voltage supply B plus, or voltage supply anode, all connected to B plus. In this design, it is only using one resistor. What if one of the LED is busted? What happens? This will force the two LED in its maximum current, or limit, or it can force the two LED to light, to turn on in a maximum current. And eventually all will be busted, because it is only using one resistor. Why is it only using one resistor? Because it is cheaper to manufacture this type of USB by using only one resistor, and it works. But the best design for me is using individual resistor for each LED. But because it can also work with one resistor, and it is cheaper to use just one resistor in the circuit. So this is the design. Still it works. And then this value of resistor is very small, causing the lamp to turn on maximum, at the maximum light.